Riano.
Take a deep breath in and out. And out. Good. Okay. But I want to bring it back. So we're gonna bring one arm up and over. Bring the other arm up and over. Good. Keep your thighs to the table. And rotate it that way. Look over the shoulder. Good. And then it's just a little bit up top here. So I'm gonna rotate you this way. Okay, and then lay face down again for me, please. Good. There we go. And then flip to the other side. Good. There we go. Lay flat on your back. Alright, relax your legs for me. We're going to do those leg pulls. You'll feel release in the ankle, the knee, going up to the hip. Good. Bring your arms up. Yep. And then I'm going to have you bring your hands up and over mine. Yep, just like that. So I'm gonna lean you back just a little bit.
Okay.
Squeeze your elbows together, tighter. Good. And take a seat right here, facing the wall. We'll bring this arm up and over. That one up and over. Good. Okay. Take a deep breath in and out. And relax right there.
Oh. Oh. I felt that one.
There we go.
And next up is Dr. Joe Denke.
Good. Again, in and out. Good. One more time. Good. Now breathe in and hold your breath in. Good. Relax all the way out. Another one here. Nice and easy. Good. All right, now stay just like that. So we'll go right here. Just let the shoulder relax. Good. Relax. Relax right here. Good. There you go. Perfect. That feel all right?
Oh,
Good. Let's do this side now. Keep this relaxed right here.
Good.
Feel all right?
Still connected?
Yeah. All right. One more here. Good. Come back to that. Good. There. There. And then here. Good. See, I've never adjusted her before, but I can tell you've been to a chiropractor because she pretty much knows how to lay in this position. All right, nice and easy right here. Good. Okay, go the other. That feel all right?
Yep.
Good, good. And right there. Very good. Nice and easy here. Good. Again. Good. Now breathe in and hold your breath. Good. Out. Good. Relax. relaxed. Okay, now let's come up here. Good. Now let's do the other side here. Good, one more. Good, relax. Good, here now. Very good. Same thing going this way. Good. Good. Again, one more. Good. Now, got a little movement in there, right? You felt that, although it didn't make a lot of noise. But, and he said yes, just in case you can't hear that. Now, let's go again right here. Breathe in and hold your breath in. Good, relax. Okay, we're going to come up here. So I just want you to go right there. Go here, here. Hold your arm here. Good. Just slide you this way a little bit. So now, you know, as we said, he was restricted here with some of the rotational movement, so we're going to induce some of that rotation here. I'm going to have him roll this way. Keep everything nice and relaxed. Perfect. Good. Now go the other way. Now fill up there. All right. Now same thing going this way. Nice and relaxed. Good. Very good. All right. That feel good? Good. All right. You can get right there first. Keep this nice and relaxed. Perfect. Now, let's do this side. That feel all right?
It did. Good. One more. Good. Now breathe in. Hold it in. Good. Relax.
I've never been to a chiropractor before. At first I was worried about going to a chiropractor, but then whenever I stepped in here I knew I didn't have to worry. Full. I can back squat without it hurting. It's just easier to do everything that I've been wanting to do.
Good. Hold right there. That's already going. Good.
Here to anyone I can.
Good. All right. Now slide up
I
that
want to do.
Good. And one more. Good. Now, let's come up here. I'm going to adjust again right there. So I'm going to put my hand here. Tilt your head to the side here. Good. Relax. Perfect. Same thing on this side. Keep on this relax. Relax this muscle here. Stiff here. Okay, just let me hold the weight of your head.
Next up is Dr. Gregory Johnson.
Okay. This is gonna feel tight. It should. Yep. There we go. You want to just breathe through your nose for me, Rayhan. Keep your teeth together. Don't bite your tongue. There it is, right there. You should have felt that all the way down, Rayhan. Very good. Now, dude, just let go. No, drop it in my hand. You tighten it up and just bend. Relax. Breathe. Move your left big toe. There. Now, just let me do it. Okay. Kind of hanging on. Just let go. There you go. Let go. There you go. That trolls when you talk about my fees. Okay. There you go. But we don't ever hear our patients complaining, so it's just these people who aren't even patients that don't even know me from Adam that gripe about our fee structure. There you go. Yes, sir. Tilt right where you left your...
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more chiropractic content.